Hello, so the next video that I want to create is about this website, National Gallery of Art. This is specifically going to be tailored to other art educators like myself because this website is full of resources that educators can use and implement in their classroom. I am going to hover over these different tabs and I'm going to go ahead and choose Education and go to Teachers to show you a little bit of the resources that they have listed. So they have different options such as downloading images, which are free. You can download them and have them printed out and hang them up in your classroom. There's different lessons, activities, and other things to integrate in the art classroom. You can explore free resources on artists and art movements. You could schedule school tours and programs if it was outside of the pandemic. There's also online courses, professional development. Also, something is super cool is the kids' interactives. So this right here, the entire website is web-based, but this is called nga.gov, and it is a app that they can download to their phones, tablets, Chromebooks, whatever that is, and play with art resources. But what I specifically wanted to show other educators, art educators like myself, is the lessons tab. So there's grade level ranges that you can select for your classroom, and you can see it ranges from pre-K all the way through college. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and click on grades 6 through 8 because that is my content area. And you can see there's a bunch of different options like self-portraits, myth of Apollo, all of these different things that you could go and click on. And I love how they have it separated between art and English language learning because I do have a lot of ELL students. So, and it's split up between beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I'm going to go ahead and click on beginner ELL activities, and you can see it has a bunch of different activities, worksheets that coincide, speaking activities. So I thought that this website would be a good reinforcer for student learning of all ages and really tailored to, it integrates math and science, even history. So other teachers could use this too as like a brain break tool or something like that. But I specifically wanted to use this website because my art classroom, I am integrating more project-based learning, and this would be an excellent resource for my students to use to research art on their own and have free resources at their fingertips through this website. So the ISTE Education Leader Standards that I thought specifically applied to this one is 3D, which is support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. Because you saw how there were accommodations for ELL students, and then it goes through different content areas as well. It's not just specifically just art. And then the other one would be 4B, which is ensure that resources for supporting the effective use of technology for learning are sufficient and scalable to meet future demand. So this website is something that is not going to deplete or depreciate in value. So I thought this was really interesting, and I hope that the other art educators in this class see this video and are able to go and browse it for themselves too.